Hey everyone, welcome back to the Dr. Husham MR YouTube channel. If you're on your Firestick or Fire TV right now and you searched for the downloader app and it's not showing up, yeah, I know that feeling. Honest to God, this is not the first time this happened. You're not alone on this. A lot of people are seeing this right now. In March 2026, downloader has we hope temporarily disappeared from the Amazon App Store on Fire TVs, that's it, and Fire tablet of course, so gone. But don't panic at all. Don't panic at all. This is just a minute. This is not a big ban. We don't actually know. The developer already fixed it, we hope. Here's exactly what happened actually. Download released version 2 a couple of weeks ago. It added some new browser features. Amazon didn't like it. I gotta be honest with you. We know Amazon is crazy, so what the hell are you doing, man? Amazon didn't like it and pulled the app from the store for the Fire devices. That's it, all gone. Why are you testing this? Why are you testing Amazon's reaction? I don't know, this is not a good time for you. The good news is the developer quickly released version 2.02 and removed the problem part. Anyway, Amazon should put it back on the App Store very soon. We hope. Probably early next week, maybe. Now, here is what you need to know. If you already have downloader installed, you're completely fine. Don't uninstall it. Don't even try to think about it. Do not reset your Fire Stick. It still works perfectly for side loading, Kodi, IX, and everything else. Still works. If you don't have it installed yet, there are some easy workarounds. I tested myself. First, my favorite of course, the temporary fix. Download the free send files to your TV app. Okay, this is going to be interesting. From the Amazon store, there is a send files to TV. And if it's still there, you can see it there. Pair your phone with the Fire Stick over Wi-Fi. Same Wi-Fi, guys. It can't be different Wi-Fi. And send any APK straight over. Super simple. Seriously. Very super simple. Second option, of course, install Silk browser or Firefox from the App Store. You go to the App Store, you find Silk browser, you go find Firefox browser, and from the App Store, download it. Go to a trusted site like APK Mirror, download the downloader app, downloader APK. Yeah. The third option, of course, which is something a little bit of an overkill, but is good. I like it. Use ES File Explorer. Now, you can find ES File Explorer on the App Store already, on the Amazon App Store. It's still there in the store and can handle basic side loading, can handle some basic. Quick tip from my setup, when downloader comes back, update it right away. If it ever comes back, update it right away. The new version looks cleaner, well, hopefully, and works even better. While you wait, go to setting, My Fire TV, developer option, and make sure apps from unknown source is turned on. Also, keep a backup of your favorite APKs on a USB stick. Plugged into the Fire Stick if you can, if possible. Usually I just say go ahead and buy a Husham stick. I don't even know if you can see this properly. No, you can't. It's on my website, Husham Electronics website. I'm so sorry about the coughing thing, guys. APK is on USB plugged into the Fire Stick. That way you're never I'm gonna say stuck because the other word is start with an F. Let's leave it alone. Bottom line, this is just a small speed bump. Download has been the best side loading app tool. I mean, it is good. I like it. Everybody likes it. For over 9 years, and I'll be honest with you, this is not the first time this has happened. I'll update full article on the Husham.com the moment it returns. You can check it out on the Husham.com website. Plus, I'll try to give you guys an update on my YouTube channel wherever possible. Drop a comment below and tell me, what do you use when color is missing? Send files to TV, the browser trick, something else, who knows? Okay, I want to see. Thanks guys for watching my YouTube channel. Hit the like button if this helps. I hope you guys this helped you. Press the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned on Husham.com. Press for all the Firestick hot fixes. I will do my best, but of course, I always say get the Husham. It's not there. It's not, you can't see it. There it is. Go to Husham Electronic website. Go find it. Can you see? You can't see. You can't see it. Goddamn, I've seen it. Put this behind it. Can you see it? No, you can't see it. It's black. Green screen is messed up. Okay. See you guys later. I hope you guys enjoy my videos. I'll see you guys in future. Bye bye.